Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
Firstly, there are job openings are available in Vidyavardhaka First Grade College. Applications are invited for the following post in UG, that is Assistant Professor in Computer Applications. The qualifications required for this job role are MCA First Class PhD or NET or KSET will be preferred. Email ID and the website link is provided here, and interested candidates can mail their resume, and for further bold details you can contact them by the phone numbers provided here. Next, there are job openings are available in Mysore School of Architecture, and recruitment is going on for the following position, that is Assistant Professor, and the qualifications are BE MTech in Structural Engineering, and experience is 2 to 3 years, and the candidates must have 2 to 3 years of experience, and the candidates have to apply on and before 14th October with resume, certificates, experience certificates, and recent passport size photo and other relevant details, and mobile number is given here, mail ID is provided here, and you can mail your resume to the provided mail ID. Next, there are job openings are available in Rainbow Public School. They are looking for the teachers for the science and social studies, and the qualifications for the science teacher, that is BSc and BEd, for the social studies, that is BA and BEd, and fluency in English is must, and the phone numbers and email ID is provided here, and the phone numbers are 9482730182 or 97400844241. There are job openings are available in Simha Subba Mahalakshmi First Grade College. The recruitment is going on for the following positions in the departments, and for the first position, that is Assistant Professor in the Department of Commerce, the qualifications are MCom in Accounting and Taxation Specialization, and for the Assistant Professor in the Department of Business Administration, the qualifications is MBA in Financial Management, and for the assistant professor in the Department of Computer Applications, the qualifications are MCA or MSc or MTech in Computer Science, and for the assistant professor in the Department of English, and the qualifications are MA in English. For the physical education instructor, they are in the Department of Physical Education, the qualification is MPED, and for the assistant librarian in the Department of Library, the qualifications are MLISC, and for the lab technician in the Department of Computer Applications, and the qualifications are Diploma in Electronics and Communication or BCA or BE or BSc in Computer Science. Candidates should have cleared NET or SLET or KSET in their respective disciplines, and candidates with experience and doctoral degrees are preferred, and applications with latest color photo and copies of qualifications and experience must be sent through post or courier on and before 22nd October 2021 to the given address provided here. Next, there are job openings are available in Vasavi Central School. They are looking for the teachers, and the candidates with relevant teaching experience, fluency in English are must, and they are recruiting only females, and the qualifications are graduates or postgraduates in DED or BED or MED in the subjects of English, Kannada, Hindi, mathematics, science, social science, and IT, and the candidates can walk in interview or mail their resume to the given mail ID provided here, that is here, and the website link also provided here, and mobile number is 7899255990. If you have any queries, you can contact them by the phone number given here. Next, there are job openings are available in Abhinava Groups. They are hiring for the following positions. They are digital marketing manager, content writer, project manager, event manager, marketing manager, and sales executive. Interested candidates can walk in interview on 5th October 9:30 a.m. onwards, and the WhatsApp number is given here, that is 99725222144, and the email ID are also provided here. If you have any queries, you can contact them. Next, there are job openings are available in FMCG company in Mysore. They are looking for the following positions immediately. They are qualified cost accountant, and the qualifications are minimum 5 years of post qualification experience in cost accounting in manufacturing industries is must, and candidates must have strong cost systems background and sound understanding of accounting systems. Hands-on experience in ERP platform, preferably SAP, is desired, and for the executive HR, overall HR experience of 3 to 4 years with minimum 1 year experience in recruitment and HR operations is required, and the incumbent should be familiar with HR process, and working knowledge of MS Office is essential, and exposure to HR software applications will be an added advantage, and MBA in HR preferred, and the candidates can mail their resume to the following mail ID provided here on and before 10th October.
That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.